Hello everyone, welcome to Weather. First up in your headlines. Bermuda is on tropical storm watch as large and powerful Hurricane Lee will approach in a few days. Lee remains a major hurricane, pumping large swells across the northern Caribbean. Meanwhile, a disturbance brews in the eastern Atlantic. So over the tropical Atlantic this evening, here's Category 3 Hurricane Lee alongside Hurricane Margot and a disturbance in the eastern Atlantic. So Lee is located about 875 kilometers south of Bermuda, which will gradually accelerate northward later this week. So now, while Lee's core will pass near but west of Bermuda late Thursday and Friday, tropical storm conditions and high surf are possible for Bermuda on Thursday. So the large wind field of tropical storm force winds extends outward over 300 kilometers with maximum sustained winds of 185 kilometers per hour, generating 14-meter high seas around Lee's core. So these large northerly swells and high seas will ease significantly across Caribbean waters Thursday into Friday as Lee moves further away. However, life-threatening surf and rip currents will impact the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos and Bermuda all week. Meanwhile, over the North Atlantic, Hurricane Margot is about 1,400 kilometers southwest of the Azores Islands. So swells will begin to affect the Azores on Wednesday as Margot continues northward through Thursday. Finally, over the eastern Atlantic, two areas of low pressure west of the Cabo Verde Islands will combine, and as a single system, it will likely develop into a tropical depression by the weekend while moving west-northwest across the central Atlantic. Now closer to home, our hot and sunny conditions carry on. So after today's max at Piarco, a 33.6 degrees Celsius, it's now 32, and following Tobago's max at 32.3 degrees Celsius, it's now 30 degrees Celsius. So despite tonight's odd shower, expect fair but warm conditions later with 27 degrees Celsius at Crown Point. And under similar skies, Trinidad can expect 25 degrees Celsius for tonight. So turning to Wednesday, it remains sunny and hot with Tobago's 32 degrees Celsius feeling like 38. And in Trinidad, once again, expect a hot 34 degrees Celsius to feel like 40 alongside a light breeze and the odd shower. However, there is the low 20% chance of the locally heavy afternoon shower. So watch for gusty winds and street flooding possible near downpours. So we may get a break from these hot conditions on Thursday as moisture brings partly cloudy skies with light to moderate showers, while those hot and sunny conditions return briefly by Friday. By Saturday, locally fresh trade winds will bring a cooling relief. Now for mariners, expect light breeze and slight seas with waves up to 1.3 meters offshore, below 1 meters in sheltered bays. Your high tides will be at 2:55 a.m. and 3:45 p.m. Low tides are at 9:27 a.m. and 9:32 p.m. So during these hot conditions, remember to stay cool and drink plenty of water. Back to you, Keisha.